Hey guys, so I am really excited to come to you guys today and show you something really exciting. I got my first Erin Condren surprise box, yay! I'm so excited. It's the spring one, and I've never gotten one before. I've only recently actually started purchasing things from Erin Condren. I got my life planner. I'm working on my wedding planner, and then yeah, so I'm just really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Inside it has some words of wisdom. It says, change your thoughts and you can change the world. How crazy is it that I was just talking about you are not your thoughts? So anyway, that's really cool. So there's a little card that tells you about what's in it. I don't want to read it. I want to open it with you guys. So, all right, here we go. All right, so first is this cute little pencil pouch. It is so cute, and pencil us in for 25% off. Ooh, exciting. And there's a couple pencils inside. How cute is this? It says live in full bloom, and then this says hello lovely. Those are so cute. And then on the inside it's this really cute color. So that's super cute. Looks like we got a reusable shopping bag. And it's such a fun print. How cool is that? And then you have the little thing to keep it all together. Very cool. I love reusable shopping bags. My fiance hates them, but I love them. And then there are some really cute little cards. This one. And then this one that says you are one of a kind, and they come with stickers. And then I got these awesome patches. And you can put them on planners or, you know, whatever else you want to put them on. So we got some sticker packs. Let's see. This says April showers bring May flowers. Don't forget to dance. That's the front. And there's the back. Let's see if there's any more in here. Nope, just those two. How exciting! These are the little interchangeable covers. So you can buy different covers and interchange them in your life planner or your wedding books and things like that. So this is another one, and this is a really cool little print. It matches the pencil case. So that was awesome. I'm so excited. So you can get these surprise boxes. They're quarterly, and you can then do like an unboxing video like this and be entered to win a free one. I'll put a discount code in the comments for you guys as well. But it's very cool. I was very excited to get my first one, and I can't wait to use them. Yeah, how exciting. So cool. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.